Every year, thousands of fires erupt in America, and this quick guide shows how a simple checklist can change that outcome. The segment tackles kitchen hazards, electrical faults, and careless smoking, then delivers fast, proven fixes homeowners can trust. Are you implementing these measures at home and at work, or are gaps sneaking danger into daily life? First, keep exits clear, test smoke alarms monthly, and route cords safely to reduce kitchen and electrical fire risks. The closing urges viewers to subscribe and explore more safety videos that protect homes, workplaces, and communities.